Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have something really, really special. It's the summer solstice, the longest light day of the year, and the official start of summer. So we are going to be cooking an entire whole chicken on the pit barrel cooker.
I'm very excited about this.
Yeah. So what we did was we got an entire whole chicken from Costco. Babe is going to open it up from the package, clean it up, clean out the stuff, and then we're going to season it with some sweet smoky Joe, a little bit of faux chicken, and a little bit of Cajun black. While Babe's doing that, I'm going to get the pit barrel cooker all fired up and ready to roll, and then we're just going to hang that bird and see how long it takes. It's about a 4-pound bird, so I'm assuming about 2-ish hours, maybe? I don't know. This is a total experiment. We've never done an entire chicken, a whole chicken on the pit barrel cooker, but I can tell you, you guys, summertime is here. Get yourself a pit barrel cooker. They are amazing.
Yeah.
We really, really
oh my
like
gosh,
it.
So far, everything's been delicious.
All right, it's chicken time. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
And here we go! So you guys can see the difference between my normal charcoal chimney that I use for the kettle and this other chimney that I purchased from Pit Barrel Cooker themselves. It's a little bit shorter. It holds the perfect amount of charcoal. You light that for 12 minutes and dump it in, and it really is amazing. So I'm happy that that just came in the mail. In our charcoal basket, we're going to do a little bit of cherry wood in there, so that'll be perfect.
For our pit barrel organic young chicken that we're going to hang and smoke. So we are doing a rub with Worcestershire sauce, faux chicken, and the Cajun black. I'm excited to see how these taste together. And then we have our hanger and our awesome gloves that they sent us. It's all set up, so we're gonna hang it like this and see what happens.
We're going to let this chimney roll for 12 minutes, and then we're going to dump it in the pit barrel, and we'll be ready to party. The pit barrel's rolling, and we're going to hang this thing. "10 minutes in, and that chicken already smells amazing. So as the neighborhood smells that, I'm going to go ahead and have a stick, drink, and enjoy the summer solstice."
Guys, it's been 1 hour. We're gonna check the chicken.
And what temperature are we going to get at, babe? Like,
185 is what we want to get to.
yeah,
right?
like normal chicken's at 165. I
Right.
think a whole bird needs to be at 185, so
Okay.
we'll do somewhere in between there.
Okay.
But it's been 1 hour, so let's pull it off. Babe's going to pull it up. Oh, yeah, babe. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's looking pretty nice.
All right, let me put this lid back on because the pit barrel doesn't...
Ew!
What
What is that?
What are you talking about?
What is that?
Babe, just check the dip.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you dripping it on my lid?
What is that?
Why are you dripping it
Where
on
do
my
you want me
lid?
to drip it?
I don't know. Drip it somewhere else. Oh, no. On my bench? You're going to drip it on my bench?
Oh, that's nasty.
Babe,
what is that?
You can't call our chicken nasty. That's our love child.
It's 175.
Okay.
175.
Okay, keep going. Check more.
170. 181.
Okay.
82.
Check more.
Gross. Do you want me to check the poop coming out of the butt?
Babe, that's 162. All right, so what do you think? Like another half an hour? 20 minutes?
I guess. Are you going to cut that off?
Yeah.
What is
Put it back in there, babe. Put it back in the cooker. Babe, the pit barrel's amazing. Look at that. It's only been 1 hour.
All I know is that's really nasty. That was like wet lint coming out of its butt.
Babe.
Booty?
Babe, you're supposed to say to people like, hey, this is going to be amazing. This is going to be tasty.
I mean, it is going to be tasty, but I don't like the nastiness that comes.
All right, let's set a timer for 20 minutes, and then it's about done. So this bird is small, so it's going to be like an hour and 20 minute cook, hour and a half cook. All right, babe. Babe, why? Babe, why? Well, you know it's juicy at least.
Okay, so I might be grossed out by the stuff coming out of the butt, but I'm grossed out by all meat, as we all know. It smells fantastic. It's getting crispy on the outside, so that yummy skin is going to be yummy. And I think the kids are going to love it. And us. We are looking like it's done, but we don't feel like it's ready. So we're going to let it go a little bit longer, and then we'll check the temperature. We don't want to undercook chicken.
And the skin needs to get a tiny bit crispier. The skin needs
to get a little bit crispier.
Yeah. Even though the temperature was looking good,
yeah,
we just want a little more crispy skin.
A little bit more.
So 20 minutes?
20.
725.
Yeah.
And then what? It'll be an hour and a half cook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Perfect. All right, babe. We'll come back in a minute when you're chopping up the chicken.
Oh, boy.
Okay, transition into chopping up the chicken now.
It's all done. We have it nice and crispy. So I'm going to start here with our leg. And, oh my goodness. I don't even, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, oh shoot. Ooh, it just pulled the meat off the bone. It's so tender. So we got the meat right here. Ooh. Holy moly. Okay. So I'm going to cut this chicken up. Hold on, I gotta grab a fork. So I am going to cut this chicken up and get all of the meat. Oh my goodness. Let me try the skin, because that crispy skin is pretty yummy. Let's see. And then I'll let you guys go while I cut it up.
Could I taste test it?
The smoke was coming through strong. It's super tender. I mean, it took a long time, but it was worth it. It was very
So
yummy.
this beats out the Ninja Foodie.
This does beat out the Ninja Foodie. Absolutely, yes. The flavor is really good. It's just different. The Ninja Foodie tastes more air fried, like fried. This one is more smoked. Oh no, so I guess it's what you prefer. It's really good though.
What happened to the towel on your head?
I took it out.
Okay, kids like it. Kid approved. It's good. Here, babe. Let me switch it around.
Skin and meat? Oh, those are really good.
I know, it's delicious.
I really love them.
Yeah.
Dude,
Nice job.
Sweet Smoky Joe, you guys came through.
Yeah. That black Cajun. Oh.
Pit Barrel
so good.
Cooker, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right, babe, let's chop up the whole thing.
Okay.
Babe, I feel like if we would have got a bigger bird,
Yeah.
like a fat bird, I mean, it's very juicy.
Yeah, it's good.
And the skin is amazing.
Yeah.
And the seasoning is amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think?
So, listen. The Asphalt Cowboys up north
Yeah.
make a smoked chicken every year when they do the Asphalt Cowboys fundraiser.
Yeah.
And it is the best chicken I've ever had. I've never had smoked chicken before other than that. This tastes just like that. It is so good.
That was over Cherrywood in the pit
it's
barrel.
so good. So good.
That pit barrel is actually pretty freaking amazing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Now you're just shredding and just making.
Yeah, so this I have trouble with. Have you ever seen Girl Interrupted?
No, babe, I don't know what that means.
Brittany Murphy and Angelina Jolie?
No.
Go watch it and you'll see why I have a problem with rotisserie chickens.
No, babe, I don't even know what that means.
It's weird.
Yeah. There's movies in the background, like
It's weird. It's weird, babe.
it's Family Friday,
It's Family Friday.
and we're having chicken,
yeah.
and you're making chicken.
I'm gonna make you my chicken. Roll up.
Yeah, babe. I mean, the juices are pouring out of that.
I mean, look at my hands. That's not grease, that's juice.
Yeah, that's crazy.